I'm Anthony, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Pacific Blue Ultra 4-roll cordless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser by GP Pro. Pacific Blue Ultra cordless toilet paper was developed with sustainability in mind. We call it cordless because, well, it is. We designed a roll of toilet paper that has no cardboard core, meaning there's nothing left to recycle, or worse, throw away when the roll is spent. But waste reduction doesn't just stop with the elimination of the cardboard tube. Did you know that 71% of facilities with JBT systems report replacing rolls before they're empty? With Pacific Blue cordless high-capacity dispensers, there's a feature that prevents removal of stub rolls before they're fully used up. That means 99% of each roll in one of these Pacific Blue Ultra high-capacity dispensers is utilized before switching to the next roll, helping to reduce additional waste. And let's talk about packaging, another common source of waste. Instead of each case of Pacific Blue Ultra cordless refills coming in a cardboard box, these are shrink-wrapped in a protective film, reducing packaging materials even further. All these waste reduction features are designed into the Pacific Blue Ultra cordless 2-ply toilet paper, and they add up to 94% less packaging compared to a junior 12-roll case of 1,000-foot 2-ply jumbo bath tissue. 94% less packaging. That's a substantial reduction. So if sustainability or cutting down on waste is important to your business or your customers, you might want to consider upgrading from a JBT solution to GP Pro's Pacific Blue Ultra 4-roll cordless high-capacity toilet paper dispenser for your restrooms.